万丈高楼平地起，财富都在车间里，花花世界迷人眼，流水线上不内卷。
Why does our product have good market competitiveness? Because we produce our own circuit boards. The controller enclosure is also manufactured by us. In this way, we can better control the cost of products to maximize profits for our dealers. We use 3 drilling and tapping centers to manufacture controller enclosures. Because the processing speed of high-speed drilling center is very fast, so it can meet the needs of mass production. Also can better save our production cost. Because the machining accuracy error of the equipment is relatively small, that's why our inspector was doing a spot check. The qualified rate and consistency of the product can have a good performance. And finally, a process where we connect to the water outlet. For CNC lathes and to perforated drilling equipment, qualified products can be mass-produced every day. I think good equipment, good technology, good quality control to make better cost, better quality products.